asked you to be here today because I want you to know that I believe in you. I encourage you to stay really true to yourself, regardless of any other people, okay? There's only one Danny on this planet, and he makes this whole planet a better place.
I chose you because of your heart, Brian. I see how funny you are, how much you care about your classmates, and you're honest, and you try your best every day to do the right thing. And you make mistakes, but I want you to remember that I love you and you are seen. But I need you to remember that those mistakes, they're learning opportunity. I believe that you're going to persevere through anything. You're going to do great things. I'm very proud to be your teacher, and I'm extremely lucky to have you in my life.
I believe in you. You are such a caring and kind person. That kind of kindness cannot be easily taught. It comes from the heart. The world needs more people like you. The courage that you show when you speak up, even when it feels hard, is something to be proud of. I believe in your ability to keep growing. I believe in your courage. I believe in your voice. And most of all, I believe in you exactly as you are.
But Armani, I wanted to say that I believe in you. Out of all of my 45 students this year, I chose you that I believe in. Let that sink in. Your hard work, determination, and resilience have truly impressed me this year. Keep believing in yourself as much as I believe in you.
Your kind heart brings joy to the classroom each and every day. I believe in you because you put forth your best effort to learn, grow, and make progress. When things get tricky or life gets hard, know that you are never alone. You are smart, you are strong, you are brave. I believe in you and I love you. Keep going, never ever give up.
So I picked you. So I think you are a kind and respectful, hardworking student. You are the calm within the storm of our class. Believe in yourself and never stop trying. I believe in you and all that you are capable of achieving.
Dear Jackson, I believe in you. You led with kindness, and that matters more than anything. You poured joy into my days as your teacher.
Okay, so
Dear Arizona,
I want you to know how much I believe in you. Your smile, your energy, and your determination make our classroom a brighter place. Most of all, your kind heart shines everywhere you go. Kindness like yours makes the world a better place.
I chose you because I want you to always remember how special you are, how amazing you are, and I know that you're going to do great things. I want you to know that I will always be your biggest cheerleader. I will always love you, and most importantly, I will always believe in you.
From the first day you walked into our school, I saw something special in you. I believe in you, Alex, not just as a student, but as a person. You're capable, you're resilient, and you're never alone. I believe in you always.
I see how hard you try all the time, and even when things are hard, you don't ever give up, and that makes my heart so happy. I will always be here for you, cheering for you, and helping you, and believing in you. And I wrote, your biggest fan, Miss Robinson.
You have a wonderful way of making others laugh, and that is truly a gift. What matters most is that you keep trying and never give up. I'm so proud of you, I believe in you, and so should you.
Having a student like you is what it's all about. Your determination to learn, grow, and persevere through difficult tasks is what makes teaching so rewarding. You never give up and you always strive to do your best. I'm so proud of you, buddy.
Dear Cadence, I just want you to know how much I believe in you. Keep being amazing and believe in yourself the way I believe in you. And I'm so proud of you and excited to see all the amazing things that your future holds.
All right, dear Craig, I wanted to let you know something, that I believe in you, but I've seen a lot of potential where you are growing and you are an amazing writer. And when you doubt yourself, remember this letter that I believe in you every single day, and you are learning, you are growing, and you're capable of great things. You've got this.
Dear Legend, I want you to know that I believe in you. You never give up, and that shows how strong you are. No matter what we're learning, you give your best effort. I believe in you, and I know you will continue to do amazing things.
You, my friend, have grown so much over these past couple of months. I believe in you, LTF.
You're the reason I come to work every day, and your drive to always be the best version of yourself is a true inspiration to me. That's yours. Okay, you get to keep that.